today we had a showcase of rugby. We had a team from Fiji that paid their own way, that got here, they came forth. But having said that, the two teams in the final were significantly represented by Fijian people. You had the likes of Junior Serevi in the winning team, and also Master Paulo Nawalu's son. So, Fiji was very well represented here today in terms of the tournament. It was a very good tournament, a lot of very physical contact and very competitive, but all in all a very successful day. And what's become apparent is the growing interest of Fiji rugby in Japan, and it's certainly one of the messages that we'll take back to the Fiji Rugby Union is perhaps we can collaborate with the Japanese Rugby Union and create an annual Bula Invitational, so that we can bring together these two great rugby nations every year to acknowledge the relationships historically. I mean, Vasile Serevi, quite a big part of his career was in Japan, and now his son's here. Just to acknowledge those relationships and that history, that rich history, and sort of continue to build and work together. We will be both in the Nations Cup next year, so it only makes sense that smaller teams work together to try and topple some of the big names in global rugby. But certainly the whole week here in Japan has been quite successful, and we've been very happy with the turnout as well as the support from not only our friends but also the general public.